Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you beat Legend of Zelda, Link's Awakening. To start your adventure, first explore Mabe Village thoroughly. You'll need to retrieve your trusty sword and shield from Marin and Tarin's house. Don't forget to gather at least 5 secret seashells early on. They offer a fantastic reward. Your next step is to venture into the mysterious forest to locate the entrance to the very first dungeon, Tail Cave, and begin your quest. As you progress, you'll navigate through 8 distinct dungeons, each housing a crucial musical instrument and a challenging boss. In Tail Cave, securing the rock's feather is vital, allowing Link to jump over small gaps and obstacles. Moving on to Bottle Grotto, you'll discover the Power Bracelet, an essential item that grants you the strength to lift heavy pots and stones, opening new pathways and revealing secrets. Effective exploration relies on your growing arsenal of items. The hookshot, acquired in Catfish's Maw, is indispensable for traversing wide chasms and reaching distant platforms. In Key Cavern, you'll gain the Pegasus boots, enabling Link to dash quickly and smash through certain blocks. Remember to thoroughly explore every corner of Koholint Island and engage with all the quirky characters. They often provide valuable clues or even give you helpful items. Your ultimate goal is to collect all 8 instruments of the sirens, which are necessary to awaken the mysterious windfish. Once you have them all, make your way to the windfish's egg at the top of Mount Tamaranch. Inside, you'll face a series of challenging boss forms. Focus on mastering your item usage and learning each boss's attack patterns. With careful strategy and a bit of perseverance, you will achieve victory and complete your incredible journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.